2008 Jeep Liberty. Grab your plastic trim tool. Work your way around the edges. The silver things come with it. Here on the bottom right corner, gotta get the metal clips. Just gotta pry away evenly. Then you can turn the car on and shift it to another gear, and that'll give you more clearance here. And then once you're in reverse, go ahead and just move this out of the way. Here I've cut mine for demonstration purposes, but just push down, pull that out. Same with this here, with all your control buttons. This one has a little red tab you slide back, then you can push it down, slide that out. And on the cigarette lighter, just push in on the tab, pull that out. Then remove the 4 Phillips screws. Looks like you could also use probably a 5/16 socket. Slide this out of place. Here I've cut my wiring harnesses for demonstration, but you can push in on the clip, slide that out. Sometimes it helps to take a trim tool, push in and slide out. And same with this connector here. There's one on the right side, push in and pull that off. There you have the radio.